In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple projects in CapCut PC. If your project library is starting to feel cluttered with old drafts, test edits, or duplicate versions you no longer need, this is a quick and simple way to clean things up. We'll be using CapCut's built-in batch selection feature so you can remove several projects at once instead of deleting them one by one. To begin, make sure you're on CapCut's main project home dashboard screen. This is the page where all of your saved projects are listed. Once you're there, move your mouse toward the header row just above your project list. On the far right side of that row, you'll see the list management icon. It looks like a small checklist. Click that icon once. As soon as you do that, CapCut switches into batch selection mode for your library. This is what allows you to choose multiple projects at the same time, which is especially useful if you've been experimenting with lots of drafts and want to tidy everything up quickly. Next, look closely at your project thumbnail cards. You should now see a small circular selection bubble in the corner of each project. These bubbles are what you'll use to mark the files you want to remove. Go ahead and click the selection bubble on each old test project, unused draft, or redundant version you want to delete. As you click them, a blue checkmark will appear, making it easy to confirm exactly which projects are selected. Take a moment here and double-check your choices before moving on. Since you're selecting multiple files in one go, it's a good idea to make sure you're only marking the projects you truly no longer need. Once your target projects are selected, move your cursor down to the bottom right corner of the dashboard screen. There you'll see a prominent blue Delete button. Click it. A confirmation box will then appear asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete the selected assets. If everything looks correct, click the final Delete confirmation button. CapCut will then remove all of those chosen project files from your local database at the same time, helping free up space and making your library much easier to manage. And that's it. By using the list management option, selecting multiple project checkmarks, and confirming the delete action, you can clean up your CapCut PC project library in just a few clicks. Done.